To switch your home loan to a fixed rate online, first log on to NetBank or the CommBank app. Then select your home loan from your list of accounts. Once you're on the My Home Loan page, go to Manage My Loan. Scroll down and select Change Your Loan for more details. You can switch to a fixed-rate loan, or, for greater flexibility, you can split your loan so it's partly fixed and partly variable. If you're wanting to split your loan, talk to a home lending specialist about your options. Then, click Fix Your Home Loan here to choose a fixed-rate loan. If you have more than one home loan account, choose the one you'd like to switch to a fixed rate. Next, review the benefits and trade-offs of switching. And click OK, let's get started. Under Explore Your Home Loan Options, find a fixed-rate loan that suits you. Choose View for details. Then select and review to find out more. Finally, review the summary, including the change to your repayment and interest rate, as well as things you should know. If everything looks good, click Submit. Once we receive your request, we'll review it and update you on its status through NetBank within the next 3 to 5 business days. To continue to manage your home loan the way that suits you, visit commbank.com.au/manage your home loan.